All right, folks, we are keeping an eye on a couple more chances for some rain as we go into the later parts of the week. But as far as our severe weather threat for this week, we are done. Clouds overhead as we are taking a live look at our WJZ Harbor camera, but things are quiet. They are drying out. It's still a bit on the muggy side, but eventually that humidity will come down just a little bit. Here's a look at your other headlines as we're heading toward the middle of the week. A mainly quiet evening is on the way. We've got a few showers, as mentioned, Wednesday and on Thursday. I'm not really concerned with that, especially in comparison to what we had for today, and things are going to be warming back up. Here's a look at 12-hour storm reports. We had a few dozen of them in our area, mostly wind damage. We also had some flash flood reports. Of course, that was coming in as well. And then the confirmed tornado on the eastern shore. We'll wait for the National Weather Service to do an official survey tomorrow to give us a rating, how long it was on the ground and things like that. That'll be coming during the day tomorrow. But the satellite, the radar quieting down substantially. You can see that storm system pivoting out into the ocean. Some areas along the northeastern coast are dealing with some of those showers that we had earlier. But let's talk about tomorrow. Again, I'm not concerned about this. Notice how spotty the rain coverage is as we are looking into about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Evening rush hour could have a couple of spotty showers, maybe an isolated storm, but more dry time than anything else during the day tomorrow, from the morning to the afternoon into the evening as well. We'll have a few raindrops out there, but looking between tomorrow and into about this time on Thursday evening, models not really bringing too much rainfall our way. Just again, couple of raindrops, something we can manage. That allows us also to survey what's happened for today and start that cleanup process where it's needed. As we're looking toward to Baltimore City for tonight, we're down into the mid 60s. Muggy night is on the way for our neighbors in Anne Arundel County as well as the eastern shore. A couple of spots where we had tornado warnings for today. Mid 60s. As you get away from the water, a little bit milder, a little bit warmer tonight with overnight lows around the bay closer to 70 degrees. Tomorrow we're in the low to mid 80s, things quieting down, a couple of spot showers, breezy winds, mostly sunny conditions will mix with some cloud cover a little later on, and there's our rain chance, our very low rain chance for the afternoon going into the evening. Mugginess dropping just slightly over the next day or two. It still stays a bit on the steamy side, but you may notice a slight increase in the comfort by Thursday especially. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-ish 80s for Wednesday and Thursday. Then they jump up to wrap up July on Friday and heading into August on Saturday. Our high temperatures will be closer to 90 degrees, overnight lows down to about 70. So we certainly still have that summer feeling in the air, but quieter, drier conditions are on the way for the rest of the week. We'll be back with sports after this.